Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is Oster Blender. This is a great blender. It has powered through tough greens like kale and Swiss chard, as well as frozen fruit, nuts and seeds. It also makes awesome salsa and nut butters. By far the best blender I have ever owned. It crushes ice for my smoothie and it has a pulse button for when I want to shred foods, not mush them, probably because it has a wider blender mouth and larger blade surface contact. It does not leak, and cleanup is easy. Add a drop of soap to hot water and run through as a blender, then rinse. You can make everything fresh and delicious with this blender's versatility and performance. The powerful motor impresses any chef as it blends through ice, greens, frozen ingredients and more. Starting up with an extra boosted 1200 power watts, it works with blending force to smoothly and continuously create the consistency you need. Smart settings are conveniently programmed to blend the perfect smoothies, salsas and milkshakes in just one touch, so you never have to guess how long or what speed to blend your ingredients. The wide base allows foods to flow freely down to the blade, and dual direction technology spins the Crush Pro 6 blade in forward and reverse motion, optimizing the blade's power to blend all types of foods. Number 2 in this best blender under $100 list is Oster Master Blender. I make a smoothie every day with frozen fruit among other things. This blender does a great job of smoothing it all out. It's easy to work and clean. This blender is still going strong. The innovative texture select settings of this Oster blender take the guesswork out of getting the perfect consistency from your blends. Texture select technology lets you choose your thickness, from creamy smoothies and chunky salsa, to fine soups and juices, and everything in between. This powerful Oster blender offers 800 peak watts of blending power and a 6-point stainless steel blade design. 3 pre-programmed settings automatically create smoothies, shakes, and salsas, and manual settings provide even more control and versatility. A touch of a button lets you select consistency, make chunky soups or silky smooth juices. Exactly how you want them. This easy-to-use Oster blender takes the guesswork out of blending smoothies, soups, drinks, and salsas to the perfect consistency. Blender offers 800 peak watts and an extra large 3-inch, 6-point stainless steel blade to slice through the toughest ingredients. Our third choice is Kios Personal Blender. I like Kios above all because they are thoughtful in their design. Kios recognized the utility of drinking right after making a juice, and they incorporated the wine glass design to the blender cup. The motor strength is similar if not better. Time will tell. If this review is still up, then it means it's doing fine. Cut fruits into small cubes. Add more than 1/3 liquid to blend. Do not exceed the maximum capacity mark of the cup. Tighten the lid and put the bottle gently on the base. Press down the cup intermittently, let Kios pulse technology to blast through ice and frozen ingredients. Press the lid until you hear a click. Grab your on-the-go drink. Share drinks with your family and friends. Slightly push down the cup to let the Kios pulse technology to blast the ice and frozen ingredients. Compact design makes this portable blender easy to store and takes up little space in your kitchen or RV. Kios blender cups and lids are made of food-grade BPA-free plastic, which is durable and can be washed in a dishwasher. Let's watch how to clean this blender. Fourth pick in this best blender under $100 list is Magic Bullet Blender. Blenders are nice, but bullets are just more efficient and more functional for those who love to make sauces, ground coffee beans, shakes and smoothies. Blenders are good for large-scale smoothie shops or for large families, but for single people or small families, the Magic Bullet is the most versatile investment you can get. Gone are any excuses for no breakfast. I blend each a protein shake and the cleanup is a dream. I do not like cooking or doing dishes. I wish I could make every meal in this. Handy, versatile and easy to use, the Magic Bullet blender and food processor takes up minimal counter space while showcasing maximum speed and versatility. With its unique design and compact size, the Magic Bullet blender and food processor chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds and more in less time than it takes to assemble standard kitchen appliances. Make the perfect smoothies and milkshakes, frozen cocktails, and pureed soups super easily. And with a wide array of dishwasher-safe attachments, cleanup is as easy as it gets. The secret to the Magic Bullet's time-saving efficiency is its specially designed blade and unique bullet shape. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is NutriBullet ZNBF30400Z Blender. This is a great blender for smoothies, frozen drinks, and whatever else you can throw at it. This NutriBullet is nice because it's just simple to use, period. The pitcher locks into the base easily and smoothly. You can lock it with a handle to the left or the right. This blender with big ice cubes, thinking I should probably have crushed ice in there instead, but no problem, it handled the big ice easily. I've been making protein smoothies and all kinds of different smoothies on a daily basis. The NutriBullet blender is here for you. Get full control over any recipe with 3 blending speeds and a pulse function. The high capacity, super durable vented pitcher can handle warm soups, sauces, and hot stuff of all kinds, and makes multiple servings of your favorite creations for the whole family. And no NutriBullet would be complete without nutrient extraction. The pitcher's redesigned blade and power base work together to create the superfood smoothies your body craves, delivering key nutrients in every sip. Hassle-free cleaning, simply place pitcher in the dish.